Everybody. So, dear students, before we have started a chapter, the Olympic Games. So, before going to start, I will ask you some questions because I have already taught you how and where did the Olympic Games started first. So, who started the modern Olympic Games? Can you say the name? Who was? Can you say the name? Who was started the modern Olympic Games? A French young man born Pierre de Coubertin. When did he started it? He started it in 1896. What was his aim at that time? That means what was the aim of D. Coubertin? The aim of D. Coubertin, he started the modern Olympic Games. His aim was people from all over the world to come together and complete and compete in a friendly spirit. So today we are discussed about the Olympic symbol. So what is a symbol? Now symbol means a picture that has a particular idea. So do you know? Do you follow me? What is symbol? A symbol means a picture that has a particular idea. So what today we are discussing about the symbol of Olympic Games. So come to the topic, page number 55 and SGP 2 para 5. The Olympic Games are held once in every 4 years. The Olympic symbol with 5 rings stands for the unity of 5 continents. At least one of the color of the rings, blue, black, red, yellow and green, appears in the flag of each country that takes part. The Olympic motto written in Latin is swifter, higher, stronger. Coubertin felt it described the aim of great athletes all over the world. So come to the know about the symbol of Olympic Games. So what was the symbol of Olympic Games? Now the symbol of Olympic Games, 5 rings. 5 rings. What was it indicate? The 5 rings stands for the unity of 5 continents. So 5 continents. At least one of the colors of the ring, blue, black, red, yellow and green, and the rings of the 5 rings are may either in blue all the colors are blue, black, red, yellow and green. What were the colors indicate? Now the colors are indicate a particular color of a rings of a national flag of a country. Then what was the motto? Here motto means a short sentence. Do you clear what is motto? Motto means a short sentence. The Olympic motto written in Latin language. The Olympic motto written in Latin language. What was the motto? Now the motto is swifter, higher and stronger. That means the Olympic game is swifter. That means very speed, very higher and very stronger. Coubertin felt it described the aim of great athletes all over the world. That means the aim of Coubertin that great athletes of all over the world. That means all the great athletes are take participate in the Olympic Games. This is all about the Olympic symbol. Then come to the topic about the Olympic torch. Torch means, do you know what is a torch? In Odia, torch means masala. We have seen torch. We have seen torch in our every year annual sports. There are four students but come to the stadium with a torch. So how and where did the torch will start? Now come to know about the Olympic torch. Weeks before the games began, a woman dressed in Greek robes lights the Olympic torch in Olympia Valley in Greece. So, weeks before the Olympic Games started, a woman dressed in Greek robes. Greek robes means a type of a dress, a type of a Greek dress. A woman wears a type of a dress, and he came to the Olympic torch. From where he started it, he came it from the Olympia Valley.